Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Easy Max Tamil class 10 and 11. Our today's topic is quadratic equations. Topic is quadratic formula. Question number 7. The difference of square of two numbers is 180. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find the two numbers. Squares of two numbers is 180. First, squares of two numbers. Let the first number be x and let the second number be the squares of the two numbers, means x square and y square. The difference of squares of two numbers means we have to subtract these two values. So x square minus y square equal to 180. That is the difference between the squares of two numbers is 180. Now the square of the smaller number is square of smaller number. The square of the smaller number is 8 times larger number. Now y be the smaller number and x be the larger number. Y is the smaller number and x is the larger number. Now we have to substitute these values. Square of the smaller number. Now smaller number is y. Square of the smaller number is equal to 8 times 8 into larger number. Larger number is x. So substituting this value in this equation 1, x square minus y square equal to 180, x square minus the value of y square is 8x minus 8x equal to 180, x square minus 8x, taking this plus 180 to the left hand side, this will become minus 180 equal to 0. Now we have to apply the formula to find the roots of this equation. Now this is in the standard form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, a equal to 1, b equal to minus 8, c equal to minus 180. Now what is the formula to find the roots? Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a minus b value is minus 8 plus or minus root of b square is minus 8 square minus 4 into a value is 1, c value is minus 180 divided by 2 into the value of a is 1. Minus into minus plus 8 plus or minus root of minus 8 into minus 8 is plus 8 8s are 64 minus plus into minus 4 into 180 is 720 minus 720 divided by 2 ones are 2. So minus 8 plus or minus root 64 minus into minus plus 720 divided by 2 equal to minus 8 plus or minus root of 64 plus 720 is 0, 6, 1360, 1360 divided by 2. Minus 8 plus or minus 64 plus 720 is 784 divided by 2. 64 plus 720 is 784. Minus 8 plus or minus root of 28 into 28. 28 into 28 is 784 divided by 2 equal to minus 8 plus or minus, we have to cancel this root, no? So write only 128 here. 2 minus 8 plus 28 by 2 minus 8 minus 28 by 2. Opposite sign, subtract 8 from 28, answer is 20, greater number sign divided by 2, comma, minus minus, same sign means add 8 and 28. So 36, write the same sign here, divided by 2. 20 by 2 is 10, 36 divided by 2 is minus 18. Now the difference between the squares of two numbers is 180. Substitute the value of x square as 18. 18 square minus y square equal to 180 minus y square equal to 324. 18 into 18 is 324 minus y square equal to 180 minus y square equal to 180. Taking this plus 324 to the other side of this equation, this will become minus 324 minus y square equal to, opposite sign, subtract 180 from 324, answer is minus 144. Write the greater number sign here. So y equal to root of, cancel minus minus, so 12 into 12, so y equal to 12 plus or minus 12. So larger number is x equal to 18, smaller number is y equal to plus or minus 12, answer.